In the past 30 days, this kid's educational channel is making lots of money, ranging from $757 to $12,000 according to Social Blade statistics. And this was done by just posting faceless animated kids educational videos. In today's Tech Guide on eClicks, we will be showing you how you can also make your own animated educational kids videos for your YouTube channel, and all the steps is completely free. All you need is a video idea. If you don't have any idea yet, you don't have to worry, as you can go about getting ideas in two different ways. Either through ChatGPT or by writing yours. We will be using Canva and ChatGPT in today's video. First of all, we will go over to ChatGPT and ask the bot for idea by typing in the prompt that we want. For example, I will type in "write me a YouTube video script for kids educational video." Let the script be about numbers from 1 to 10 and ChatGPT will write out this for you. Now, it is time for us to create our first character of our animated video. We will go over to Canva, and on the home page, use the search bar to search for YouTube video, then make sure to click on Create a Blank YouTube Video. This will take you to a blank page. On the left, click and search for number 1, click on the number, this appears on the blank page. Now drag and resize it to what you want. Now go back and search for cartoon eyes. Canva will give you a list of images, select one, resize and place it on the number 1. Go back and search for cartoon hands, select one, resize and place it on the number 1. Do the same for the legs. As for the legs, make sure they are facing the same direction. To do this, you can crop one leg out, copy the other one and paste it again. After you have cropped one of the legs and pasted again, you will now need to adjust the legs to align just the way you want. Remember, you will have to send both the hands and the leg backward by selecting them, and then right-click and select Layer and click on Send to Back. Now you will have to change the color of the shoe if you like. You can give it any color of your choice. I am changing this to red by clicking on the color box at the top on Canva. This will give you many color option. Select one and do the same for the other shoe. Our first character is ready, and we'll now do the same steps for the other of our characters. For the sake of this demonstration, I will do for number 2 and 3, and then we will move over to the next step, which is downloading our character. To download our character, click on the share button at the top right hand of Canva, select download and then down the file as PNG. Now we move over to the next step, which is animating our character, and for us to be able to do this, we will be using Meta Demo Lab. Don't worry, I will leave a link to the site in the description of this video. Once you are this site, click on Get Started. This will take you to the page where you will need to upload your character. Once you upload your character that you downloaded from Canva, you will need to accept the terms and condition that pops up. After that, your images would be uploaded. Then adjust the field of view to where you want it, and the system will scan and remove the background. Use the tool below to adjust any area that is not well removed. Now adjust the key points, marked as dots points. This will help in the final animation. Once you are okay with it, click Next and see how your character comes to life. You can select any of the animations on the left and see how your character behaves. They have different categories which you can select from. The next thing to do is to download your animated character to your PC or laptop. To do this, simply click on the X sign at the bottom of the animated page. This will become a full screen, then click on the three dots at the bottom and select the download option. After downloading the animated character, you will now go over to Canva and upload it into your YouTube video. Once uploaded, you will have to remove the background from the animated character video. To do this, simply click on Edit Video. This will take some time. Once it is completed and the background removed, it's now time for you to give it the background you want for the YouTube video. Search on Canva for a good background. This will give you many options. Pick one that you are happy with. Once you have selected a good background, you will need to adjust it by clicking and dragging to fill the screen. After that, right-click and select Layer in the drop-down menu. Click on Send to Back. This will allow your animated video to be in front of the background. Now your first scene is completed. You can then adjust the position of your character the way you want. Now you will need to repeat the same steps for your other character. After you are happy with all your characters, it is time to download it for the next step. To download your animated character video, simply click on the share button at the top right-hand corner on Canva, download the file in MP4. Once the download is completed, you set for the next step. It is time for the voiceover. For the voiceover we will be using free text-to-speech website. You can use 11 Lab, but for this tutorial I will be using ttsfree.com. So go over to the site, then go back to chat and copy the first script for your character and come back to It's Free and convert the text to speech. There are many speech character generator, pick the one that you are okay with. After converting to speech, download it and you are ready for the next step. Now that your animated character first scene has been downloaded, and also the voiceover for the scene, it is time for the next step. In this next step we will be using CapCut app. Open your CutCap app, or if you don't have one, you can download one from the link I will be providing in the description of this video. We will now import our downloaded animated first scene and voiceover into CutCap. Once you have imported it, just drag the first scene and voiceover into the CapCut video editor and arrange them just like this. Hello little ones, I am number 1 and I like to dance. You can replicate the scene to increase the playtime. After doing this, you should have your final video just like this. Hello little ones, I am number 1 and I like to dance. If you are satisfied with what you have done, then you can export your final video and share it on your YouTube channel. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.